Sipho absence from the Soweto derby sparked questions among supporters, but his agent has now clarified that the Orlando Pirates midfielder is currently recovering from a minor injury. The 27-year-old has struggled for regular game time since the resumption of the league at the end of January. His first appearance of the year only came in mid-February when he made a brief cameo off the bench during Pirates' comfortable 3-0 victory over Merumo Gallants. Before that return, Bole had been spotted watching matches from the stands alongside players who were not part of the matchday squad. His appearance against Gallants raised hopes that the talented midfielder was back in contention, especially with the crucial clash against Mamelodi Sundowns looming. However, Mbule remained an unused substitute in Pirates' 2-1 defeat to the reigning champions. His lack of involvement left many Buccaneers supporters puzzled, particularly with midfield options such as Talentin Bhatia and Sihle Nduli unavailable at the time. The situation became even more surprising when Mbule was omitted entirely from the matchday squad to the Soweto derby against Kaizer Chiefs. His absence, however, went largely unnoticed as Pirates delivered a dominant performance to secure a convincing 3-0 victory. Speaking to Laduma, Mbule's agent Mike Markup, CEO of Pro Sport International, explained that the midfielder's recent absence was purely injury-related and said Sipho is recovering from a small injury. He's back at training, working with a fitness trainer and continuing with his rehabilitation. Markup also dismissed speculation surrounding Mbule's situation, insisting there was nothing unusual behind his absence. He pointed out that similar concerns had been raised about Mbatha, who was also dealing with a fitness issue. He said the same question was asked about Talentin Mbatha, and I explained that he had picked up an injury. Sometimes when I say these things, people think I'm hiding something. He added that Mbatha did feature in the debut but was still managing the problem. He said you could see he played against Chiefs and had to come off. His knee was strapped, but he has progressed nicely and hopefully he's now over that niggle. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.